Hi, my dear children. I'm your English teacher, Sharanama K. Ma'am. Welcome you all to 4th English online class for class 7 and 8. Today's topic is the sentence. To know what is sentence, you just have to read, the examples provided by looking at this picture. The first example, I'll read for you. Have homework, I my finished. Second example, my homework. Third example, I have finished my homework. I hope you could find some difference between these three examples. Yes, the group of words in first example, that is have homework, I my finished, will it give any sense? No, it does not make any sense. It means it is senseless. Whereas the second example, that is my homework, yes, it makes some sense but not complete sense. Whereas third example, I have finished my homework, yes, it makes complete sense. Therefore, the third example we call it as a sentence. What does it mean here? It means a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Is that so? Yes. Now, to study more in detail, let us proceed with some more examples. Look at this page. You can find 4 examples there. I'll read for you. Just listen to me carefully. Right? Look at this picture, provided to you. Where, what can you see? What a boy is doing here? Maybe Vinny, maybe Ramesh, he is trying to sing, I think. Well, Vinny is a good singer. Yes, this is the first example, right? Now, please observe all the examples here. All these are beginning with the what letter? Yes, capital letter. And end with different punctuation mark. Now, the second example. Why were you absent yesterday? Yes, it ends with what punctuation mark here? Question mark. Begins with the question word. Then the third example, what a pleasant day it is. Yes, it ends with what punctuation? Exclamation mark. Right. Now the fourth example, I don't want to visit the fair. Yes, this also begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Thus, by studying these examples, we can say that, to conclude, a sentence is a group of words. Is that so or not? Yes, sentence is a group of words. Then second, it makes complete sense. Will it makes? Yes. Right. Then the third thing is it has a verb or an action word. You can have a look at those examples where blue words indicate the verb in each sentence. Well, the next, it begins with a capital letter. Can have a look at the examples. Each sentence is beginning with a capital letter which is red in color. Right. Then it ends with full stop or question mark or an exclamation mark. As I could read for you the examples, I did just express you what punctuation mark each sentence is ending with. Yes, this all makes a sentence. It means sentence is a group of words. It makes complete sense. It has a verb and it always begins with a capital letter and ends with the respective punctuation marks. Well, This is very important point to be kept in mind, children. Right? Just I'll read for you. Listen once again very carefully. Don't forget, a sentence always has a verb. Right? Well, now hope you all have understood the concept sentence very well, and you will be enjoying the related worksheet, okay, to this concept, where you need to, okay, make proper sentences with the provided group of words, supplying it the required punctuation mark, that is the capital letters and a, okay, full stop. You can just file them up in a sheet, or you can write in your old notes. Preserve them, work it very case successfully, and submit the same when you come back to school. Okay, see you again. Bye bye. Thank you, children.